representing the Tamworth Country Music Festival, and I've got exclusive access because I'm working at the main stage at Tamworth Toyota Park. So let's take a little tour around the stage. So here you'll find video comms, so you've got vision mixer, you've got control, playback, screens, all of the, see if we can turn a light on. Hey! All of record decks and the brains of it all. We go over here, this is where Phil sits, this is where he does all the live stuff. So we did a live broadcasting and then audio for just the live feed and the recording. And they're in air conditioning. I'm up there on stage in the heat and they've got bloody aircon. So yeah, this is all Eclipse stuff, amazing company. So this is their control center, and we'll head over to the stage. We'll have a look. So here you'll find Stage Manager. This is my camera. So I do shoulder mount. And film from here. We'll head around behind the drum kit and we'll head over the other side. So if we come around this way, we're heading to Fallback, and so this is where it's all controlled. I'm not an audio engineer, so I'll get a lot of this stuff wrong, but yeah, you can we basically control only what's on the stage, not on front of house. That's controlled by front of house, and we have all of the amps and mixing stations, and so the, you know, there's for the subs, power stations, and then we've got batteries for belt packs and main circuit breaker. 200 amps, there we go. And then we got, over there you've got the stuff for LED screens and vision stuff. But yeah, pretty cool. There's your rig. Got a few lights around. Looks amazing. I'll put some stuff in live footage. Here we got, you can see out here, this is out towards the crowd. And certain people have air conditioning up here too. I don't. I think there's normally an aircon here. Look. Bloody aircon. Anyway, let's have a look. So here we have Dolly Finger. So, the sponsor of this video, well, it's me, with this bag. I don't go anywhere without it. It's a little good grab and go bag. So it's our survival and rescue kit. It's designed for 24 hours. It has everything you need. Has a PLB, straw, tent, food, water, knife. So if you get stuck out in those big adventures that you're doing, this will help save you. So if you'd like to know more about the survival and rescue kit, check out the website. I'll leave a link down in the description below.